all guys enjoyed the Meesho kurti haul video, the previous video. If you haven't, I'll link that up. Don't forget to see this because people are saying this it's awesome, and thank you. I'm like so much excited. I previously thought that you all guys will get bored or you will not understand the concept, but thank God you all understood it, and I'm so happy because yeah, and I got encouraged and motivated to make similar kind of contents that is having a storyline. So yeah, today I'm also doing a same kind of, not same, but it's having a concept behind, so that type of video I'm doing. And today I am doing a Meesho top haul. I bought few tops from Meesho, all at a very low rate, so you can also buy. And now you must be thinking, what am I doing wearing a kurti? So that is a suspense. So if you want to know, then continue watching the video. Bye.
ऐसी उलझी नजर उनसे हटती नहीं, दांत से रेशमी डोर कटती नहीं, उम्र कब की बरस के सफेद हो गई, कारी बदरी जवानी की छटती नहीं.
So the first is this lavender color top. The fabric is crepe and it's very trendy. This color is very trendy nowadays, and it's very nice and comfortable, especially for summer. And I have seen this particular top in so many shopping sites. Especially when I saw this at Meesho, I was surprised to see the price. It costed me for just rupees 296, and I bought it. And at the back side we are having this ribbon kind of thing which adds a great detail to this top. It's also having this v-necked kind of detailing, and I am just loving this top. It's perfect for summer and perfect for dates.
ये धड़कन बढ़ने लगी है, चेहरे की रंगत उड़ने लगी है, डर लगता है तन्हा सोने में जी, दिल तो बच्चा है जी, दिल तो बच्चा है जी, थोड़ा कच्चा है जी, हाँ दिल तो बच्चा है जी.
So guys, the second one is this top. It is not red, not maroon, somewhere in the between, and I am just loving this top. I'm so much obsessed with this top, and I think I'm going to wear it everywhere. And for your kind information, this fabric is known as polyester, and this type of sleeves is known as gathered sleeves. It is very comfortable. Trust me, it is very comfortable as I'm wearing. And there is, check this out also, there is this ribbon kind of thing also going on. So I absolutely love the design, and overall this is a great purchase, and this only costed me for just rupees 341. I mean, that's crazy, and it is only possible in Meesho because it's very cheap out there. So I'm so happy with this purchase. Now let's move to the next one.
किसको पता था पहलू में रखा दिल ऐसा बाजी भी होगा, हम तो हमेशा समझते थे कोई हम जैसा हाजी ही होगा, आए जोर करे कितना शोर करे, बेवजह बातों पे ऐवे गौर करे, दिल सा कोई कमीना नहीं, कोई तो रोके कोई तो टोके, इस उम्र में अब खाओगे धोखे, डर लगता है इश्क करने में जी, दिल तो बच्चा है जी, दिल तो बच्चा है जी, थोड़ा कच्चा.
So guys, this is the third one. It is white and this is a crop top. The fabric is cotton blend, and for few days I am wearing this while working out, so I kind of did the same type of content in the video. And this fabric is also very nice because I am wearing it while working out, so you can guess it's comfortable. And guess how much this costed me. It costed me just for rupees 144. Can you believe this? It's below 200. I mean, this is so cheap, and it's very casual and simple. So you can also wear it outside, like for casual purposes, because it's I think nice. And yeah, so this is a very great purchase. So I hope you like this.
दिल धड़कता है तो ऐसे लगता है वो आ रहा है, यही देखता ही न हो। प्रेम की मारे कटार रे, तौबा ये लम्हे कटते नहीं क्यों, आँखों से मेरे हटते नहीं क्यों, डर लगता है मुझसे कहने में जी।
So guys, this is the last one. This is the fourth one, and this color is red, bright red, and this is a smocked top. Also it's sleeveless, as you can see, and it is very comfortable. It is a party kind of top. You can wear this to parties or blah blah. And yeah, I am also loving this. It's very comfortable, and it costed me for just rupees 346, I guess. It's costed me for just rupees 346, and it's also very nice. So guys, as you have seen all this top at a very cheap rate, so you can also go and try to buy tops from Meesho, because Meesho does not only sell kurtis, it also sells various kind of western wears like tops, some jeans and dresses, whatnot. So you have to go and literally check it out. And I am now ending this video, but before ending, I hope you guys liked this content. There's a very little kind of content like this in YouTube. I haven't seen much, but I hope that you guys could resonate with it, and I hope that you will like it. And if you do, then please do comment, because I always stay confused that you all guys are, you know, able to grasp this or not, because I feel that I am making you guys bored. So please comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time I will come up with a new video. So till the time I am doing my next video, bye. Guys, the small clip that I'm making now is very much important for me to announce, because I'm editing right now, and while editing I found out that the song that I was about to use in this video was not matching with the video. I mean, one friend of mine sang this song for me, and we were facing some issues with the scale, so we were having some scale issues, and this song wasn't going with the video, and I didn't know, I had no clue what to do, because I cannot afford to use another song, because the entire content revolved around this song Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji. So I don't know what to do, and one thing clicked in my mind, that is I checked YouTube that there are any female is there any female person who sang Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji or not. And I think as far I've seen, there is only one person, Ranjita, who sang this. There's only one female version of Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji as far I've seen. And I took the courage and I texted her in Facebook and Instagram, and asked her permission so that I can use. Gracefully allowed me to use her song, and I'm so like, thank you so much, Ranjita, for allowing me to use this song. If you like the content, if you do, don't forget to comment and let me know. So yeah, till the time I'll make my next video. Bye.